Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If you are a returning subscriber and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Naledi Swaratle and I really do hope you stay and subscribe and join our big beautiful family. Well, it's becoming big. Yeah, it's becoming big and I'm honestly grateful. So in this video I basically did first impressions makeup. So basically first impressions means that it's products that I have not used before, so obviously my opinion on them will be very honest, very raw, very true, very, you know what I mean, you know the vibes. So yeah, I'm honestly happy with how the makeup look turned out. Please note that not all the products here were brand new. Some were just products that I already have, or some are just products that I haven't used in my palette, sorry, in my in my makeup bag in a long time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this first impressions makeup look. I definitely highlighted specifically the new products that I got and gave you guys sort of a review at the end of the video, so stay tuned until then. But before we get into the video, do not forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, subscribe. By the way guys, I got a new microphone, so let me know how you feel about the sound and the audio quality so far. But honestly, I love it. I tested it and I'm happy with it. You guys can let me know how you feel about it. Let's get into the video. Okay, so today we're going to be trying a couple of products that I got from Takealot. Let me show you guys. So I got some products from takealot.com. It's honestly so convenient because, you know, sometimes when you are shopping on, no, like you actually go to the physical shop, sometimes some things are out of stock and you have to wait for them to come, or what you're looking for is not there, or you end up just buying your own other things. So I literally prefer shopping online because then I know what I want and I actually get it. I hope you guys cannot hear the rain. By the way, I got a new mic. Please tell me how you guys finding the new sound quality. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing I got was from, oh my gosh, my skin looks so good. I'm looking at the monitor here. Okay, so the first thing that I bought was an eyeshadow palette. I am so happy. I've been wanting the Revolution eyeshadow palette for a while. They have different palettes, but this one is called Dream Big and I just loved the variety of shades. Like, it has so many different shades in one palette. It's got pink, it's got you know, your bright colors, it's got your darker colors, you know, green, gray and purple. There's some purple over there. So literally it just has everything in one palette, and I've been wanting a palette this big that has a lot of different things because I always gravitate towards your nude colors and things like that. So okay, so let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my face using this Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. It says Keep Me Matt. So obviously because it says Keep Me Matt, I'm assuming that it's probably for people with oily skin like myself, or yeah, it says it's a lightweight primer that minimizes shine. Optically the size of pores, it's long lasting and it's dermatologically tested. So yeah, let's try it. I've been using the Maybelline Primer for so long, so let's just see how this one goes. I'm gonna use my brush instead of my hand. Is it just me? But I smell all my products. Let's just see how it feels on my skin. I just hope it's not drying, because sometimes when a primer says it is mattifying, it's a matte primer, it sometimes has this thing of making you dry, and I don't like patchy makeup. Personally, I really don't like patchy makeup. Okay, it feels good on the skin. I don't feel any irritation. So far so good, and it feels sticky. It also doesn't feel very heavy. I was worried that it might feel heavy on my skin. I hate heavy primers because I just feel like I'm gonna put on makeup, so why are you being heavy? Like, what's wrong with you? Okay, next thing I'm gonna go in, as you guys can see, I didn't do my brows off camera this time because I wanted to try this Revolution Duo Brow Definer on camera for the first time and see how it is. So this is how it looks, you guys, from Makeup Revolution. I feel like one day I should do a full face of Revolution products. Okay, the camera does not want to zoom in. So this is the part where the brow pencil is, the brow definer over there, and then this is the spoolie to basically brush your brow hairs. I like this, you know, I really like it. I will also put the prices of all the products on the screen so that you guys can see for yourself. Okay, so I just lined my brows and then now I'm just gonna fill them in.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I just finished doing my brows and I basically just brushed it up with the spoolie. I definitely like a product that is convenient, like having a spoolie and the brow product in one is honestly amazing. Okay, I'm gonna move on to foundation. I didn't get a new foundation, but this is the foundation I've been using, and it's the Revlon ColorStay foundation in the shade 013 Caramel 1. And I'm just gonna apply it with a beauty blender. Lately I just enjoy it with a beauty blender compared to a brush. I just want to wet it a bit.
Dress all my stress when I'm thinking of you. Yeah. Now I'm back in no frame like I'm lost in LA and I don't have Pro Tools. Won't you fill up my void with your love? Feed me your rose while I royce on your dove. Tell me you're coy, but I see past your bluffing. For some reason now you've been feeling my touch. Yes, you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. I am the one that you've been looking for. Shine like the sun, wait, I'm headed on tour.
Okay, you guys, so my foundation is on. It's looking quite even and so seamless. I definitely recommend applying your foundation with a beauty blender. It just absorbs so well into the skin. Some foundations are good with a brush, others are just better with a beauty blender. Okay, and then I'm gonna give this beautiful Real Techniques brush a try. It is so pretty. It is the Real Technique 210 brush, and this is for concealer. So it says it's an expert concealer brush and can be used with liquid or cream concealers. So I'm gonna use it with this liquid concealer. It is the Instant ATH concealer. This one is in the shade 08 Buff. Okay, and I'm gonna blend it out with the concealer brush that I got from Real Technique because I want to see how well it blends and works. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Powder. It looks like this. So I'm just gonna put it on a tray. I'm blending it into my skin. I'm not just gonna let it sit there, otherwise I fear that it might make me look too yellow. So I literally go in and I blend it into the skin. Okay, as you can see, like, it makes me look a little bit yellow because I think this one is not my shade. I should have just went and bought the banana, just the normal banana one, because as you guys know, I usually use the Revlon powder and it sits in very well with my skin. So I shouldn't have went deep. I should have just stayed with just the normal banana color, but it's fine. I'll use that for my clients and I'll get the normal one another time. But it's not too bad. I don't think it's too bad. I'm just not gonna let it bake. I'm gonna wipe under my eyes. Next up, I'm gonna go in and contour. So for contouring, I didn't really buy a new product. I'm gonna go in with my Revlon contour stick as per usual. I'm just gonna blend out the contour. Okay, let me set the makeup a little bit just to alleviate the tightness, because I feel like it's very mattifying. It's make my face feel quite matte. Okay guys, we're gonna go into the eyeshadow and I'm gonna do a voiceover because it was raining outside and it was causing a lot of noise. So I'm just gonna prep my eyelids using my Maybelline concealer, and I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is the Maxi Reloaded palette and it's the Dream Big one. So I'm gonna go in with some green shades because I'm creating a green cut crease look. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with the green color. As you guys can see, there's so many shades in this palette and that's what I like about it. So I'm gonna go in with that green color and I'm just gonna pack it into the crease. And I was just testing the pigment. As you guys can see, there is so much pigment, very pigmented, and I'm just gonna pack it into the crease and then blend it out. I'm going in with that orange color just to blend it out and make it look a little bit more seamless as compared to just packing it directly on the eyelids. Next up, I'm going to cut my crease and I'm using the Essence Matte Camouflage Concealer in the shade Warm Sand, and I'm just going to cut a little bit higher just so that it's a bit more on the dramatic side and it makes the shimmery shade pop so much more. Okay guys, and I'm gonna add this shimmery shade. It's a green shade also from the Revolution palette, and I'm just gonna pat it where I cut my crease. And then I'm gonna add the gold shimmery shade in the inner corners to just brighten up my eyes. Okay guys, so I just put on my lashes off camera and then I just lined my eyes with the same green that I used just over here. I didn't make it excessive, and then also used mascara. Now I'm gonna do my lips before I go into highlighting, and for lips I'm gonna use this Rimmel London Lasting Finish Lip Crayon. and it's brand new. Someone said it's almost like the MAC Chestnut. I don't know if you guys know it. The MAC Chestnut. Like it glides really well, so I'm just gonna line my lips. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. And then I'm gonna go in with this Rimmel London. It looks like we're using Rimmel for the lips, and it is a nude lipstick. I haven't used it in quite a while actually. I don't remember using this. It was my mom's. It's the Rimmel 052 Rose Couture shade. Actually didn't need a lot, and I like it because it makes the whole look focus on my eyes. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the highlighter from Scarlet Hill. It's the Contour and Glow palette, and I'm gonna just highlight. Ooh, it looks really good. I love it. And then I'm gonna go in with the contour powder just a little bit to set the contour. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fix Spray to set the makeup. Okay, I love it, you guys. This palette definitely would recommend. Out of everything that I tried today, this palette is the girl she thinks. She is like, wow. I never play with color, but today this palette made it possible, and I'm so glad. It's definitely worth the coins, sis. I mean, look at this. What the wow. Okay, so the final remarks of the product. Honestly, I am so happy with everything here. More specifically, this palette, you guys. I did my eyeshadow after my foundation routine, and there was literally no fallout, and the pigment is to die for. You guys know I hardly play with color, but today I was like, this is beautiful. I also enjoyed the lip liner, also the concealer from Maybelline. I'm so happy with everything. The only thing I think, not that I'm not happy with the product, but the shade of the product is this Banana Deep powder from Makeup Revolution, and honestly I think I should have just went for the banana shade instead of the Banana Deep. But otherwise, everything else, the brow pencil, like wow. My favorite was definitely the palette as well as the lip liner. These two did what they were supposed to do, and I definitely enjoyed creating this look. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Do give me a thumbs up and comment down below for more videos that you guys would like me to film and would like to see, as well as makeup looks that you guys would like to see on my channel. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.